guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. I'm so excited to share with you guys my living room tour with all of my Christmas decor. A lot of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree, so you guys will see a lot of Dollar Tree things in here, and then I'll walk you guys through everything else and tell you where everything is from. Let's get started, you guys. Starting at the front door, I love to add a wreath for each season, but since I found this one from Joann's Fabric, I haven't really switched it out. I decided just to add to it since I'm trying to go for reds and greens and whites. I really love that it had the natural elements to it, so I added in a sign from $1 Zone, red flowers, berries, a few ornaments, so once Christmas is over, I can just take this all off and continue to use it. So here's an overview of the living room. It is pretty small, so when you first walk in, there's this little table that I've had forever from IKEA. So coming down here, hey guys, this little setup I did for Christmas, and I think that it's really cute. It's right by the front door, and you can put your keys there when you come in the house. So I just have a couple of little decoration things. This car is new from Family Dollar. He was only $5. A candle from Marshall's. This little basket I've had from, this is from Dollar General a couple of years ago. I have the haul on my channel, but I just added in some little things. These towels are from $1 Zone. They're super cute. They're totally my theme of just like the whites, the reds, and the greens. And then this little guy, when the first Christmas that I ever spent with my birth parents, I met them when I was 18, and we spent Christmas together, and they got me other stuff, but they also got me this little guy, so he's traveled with me ever since I was 18. These are trees from Target. This little sign is from a Dollar General. Right underneath, I added one of the Dollar Tree dusters, some bottle brushes, and a little Dollar Tree sleigh ornament, and then I put the little bottle brush in the sleigh, and I think that it looks really, really cute. So this house is one floor. The bedrooms are on the same floor as the living room, but in our basement, there's a family room. That's where the kids' toys are. There's also a laundry room, and the garage is down there. So this is the main area that I wanted to decorate since you walk in this way. On this wall, I have two mirrored windows, I guess that's what you would call it, and those are from Marshall's. Those were $16.99 each, and they're still available if you guys want to go check in your store. This big picture is from a store that I don't think is around anymore, but if I can find it, I will link it down below. Everything will be linked down below. I get a lot of questions about the pillows on my couch, so I'm going to go over all of them with you guys. The red ones that you see on each side, those were my mother-in-law's, and when she gave us the couch, she gave us the pillows. I'm sure they're from somewhere like Ross, but I'm not exactly sure. The little brown pillow came with the couch. The red pillow is from Ross, and these buffalo check pillows I made myself from a bunch of fabric that I found on Amazon. You can get 5 yards of fabric for $15. It's an amazing deal. I was able to make 2 pillows, the curtains, and I still have fabric left over. So I will have that link down below. This little pillow in the middle, he is a placemat from $1 Zone. I decided just to DIY a little pillow. He was too cute to pass up. And then on the back of it, I just used an old pillowcase, and I stuffed it with some of the stuffing. This way it makes like a little bit of a bigger pillow. I switched out the throw blanket on our couch for this black one. It's from holler.com a while ago. It's furry, it's black, and I think it ties in well with the colors that I have going on in the living room. So this living room is really, really small, so I wanted to keep the furniture minimal at least. So there is not a lot of furniture in there. Right above the door, I added 3 Dollar Tree candy dishes. They are the snowflake ones, and I just used command strips to attach them just to the wall, and I think it looks really, really nice. I'm trying to have that bling with silver, white, green, and gold, and I think that it all ties well together. The curtains are probably my favorite change and the cheapest change that we did in this living room. I DIY'd these myself using this no-sew method that I've talked about a lot. Hem tape, and these curtain clips are a game changer. They will be linked down below. If you guys have not tried these to hang your curtains, they were like $2 or $3 at Walmart. I got 2 packs of those. After I hemmed the fabric, I just clipped them right on. I got a curtain rod from Aldi. I got 2 of them for like $5, super cheap, and I had curtains. I think it was like under $15. The fabric is on sale for $15, so 2 panels, the rod, the little clips. It took no time at all. If you guys are looking for a cheap way to get curtains, this way is amazing. On the the opposite wall, there's a mirror, and I just hung a thankful sign, which I've been had up there. And then I hung this little swag wreath thing that I've had for such a long time. I'm not even sure where it's from. The little star is from Dollar General, and it's an ornament that only costs $1. I added a little H pillow to Quincy's chair that's red to go with the whole little theme. And then our TV console table is very blingy, it's very bright, and I absolutely love it. I found it from a store here in Philly. It's in the Northeast. I'll have it linked down below. But I wanted something that was not really big and not really deep because this room is so small. And I went into the store. This was one piece that they didn't have refinished, so I refinished it myself, and I love the way that it turned out. This little moose head is old from Walmart, and I got the sign from the same store where we got the console table. I wanted to share with you guys the price because you will not believe it. $26.99 for this big old picture. This picture is huge. It says, "This is us, our life, our story, our home," and I think it looks really, really nice together. I decided just to paint the TV stand myself. The man at the store said that it wouldn't be too hard, so he recommended using milk paint. It was my first time ever using milk paint. He said that it was similar to chalk paint, so I said, okay, I'll give it a try. The main reason that I picked this TV stand is because it's not very deep. This space is really small, so I needed a TV stand that would not stick out too far, but also had storage, and this had both. So I decided just to use the milk paint in a gray color. I will have it linked down below, and it was so easy to do. I just decided to add some decorations to the top of it. The garland is from Walmart. I know a lot of people have it now. I had it last year as well. I would definitely recommend it. It's great quality and it looks beautiful. I just added in some big old flowers, some pine cones. It has the flocking that you guys know that I love, and I think it all just goes really well. The tree with the garland and everything. These are little, what are they called? Little Christmas trees that I DIY'd from the same fabric. You guys see a theme going on? It's like, oh my, buffalo check everywhere in this house. These big flower picks are from Walmart, and they're pretty old. I've had them for years and years. They're $5 each. Every year I just put them inside of here. They just stick right in. So I added 3 of them, 1 in the middle and 2 on each side. And I love that they're like blingy and bright mixed with the pine cones and the berries. I think it's a nice mixture. So I decided just to make a few Christmas trees as well. This one is that's from Ross, and it's supposed to be beachy with the little star, but I just love the way that it looks. It was glittery too, so I kept this in here. That little buffalo Christmas tree I made. This Noel sign is from Family Dollar. It was only $3. This little reindeer is from $1 Zone, and he was $1. He also had a Christmas tree friend, so I got him as well. I love him. I think he's absolutely adorable. I also have a little blingy Christmas tree that I made all from Dollar Tree stuff. It's just the diamond wrapped, just wrapped around a piece of cardstock. Bottle brushes are from $1 Zone. And then this galvanized tin I've had for years and years. I just switch out the flowers, and I have like this greenery in here. I think I got that from Joann's as well. Our tree skirt we had from last year, so I'm just reusing it. It's from Walmart. It was about $36. Preferably, if I could have a white furry one, I would. This one shows all the flocking. My Christmas tree, I shared how I decorated it from all dollar store stuff, and that video will be linked down below. Everything that you see on this tree is either from Dollar Tree or $1 Zone. The actual tree itself is from either Lowe's or Home Depot. It's the GE brand. I absolutely love this tree. It's 7.5 foot, and I had it last year, and I have it again this year. But I hung 4 stockings on these kind of like shutters that they came with the house. They're part of the house, but I keep them open because it goes into the kitchen. If this was my house and I didn't rent, I would like knock down this wall if I could, but it makes everything super closed off. So I'm trying to work with what I have. I added in the stockings that I made myself from Dollar Tree scarves. Everything that I talk about will be linked down below, so if you want to see how I made those. So I just added in a few of the little picks from the Dollar Tree with pine cones. I think that it looks nice and goes in, and I got the idea from Mama from scratch. I saw she kind of had like these shutter things hanging on her wall, and she put stars on there, and I thought that that looked really cute. So I added those, and I think that looks nice. When Santa comes, I'm sure everything will be downstairs, so They're not up there that sturdy. I don't know if you could put stuff in them, but they're more just like for the decoration. I did one accent wall with removable wallpaper from Walmart. It was about $30 a roll. I decided to do it in kind of like that barnwood look because underneath this is wood paneling, the dark wood paneling, and the landlord did not want us to paint, so I had to cover it up however I could. It was pretty expensive, and it did take a little bit of time, but I think that it goes really well with the style of our living room now, and I just am so glad that I did it. So if you guys are looking for an inexpensive change, this is a great option. I recently started adding a wreath to the back of the door so that we can see it too, and this wreath I found on super duper clearance. It's all cotton stems and really beautiful. The bow is from Halloween from AC Moore, and then I shared a DIY on the shovel that's all from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love the way our living room turned out, and I am on a tight budget. I wish I would have hit the YouTube jackpot and became super rich and could just go and blow a ton of money, but I am not. I'm just a regular person, and I put a lot of love and effort and intention into decorating my home, and I think that's why it all comes together. It's not always a good idea just to go out and buy everything. Put your thought, put your feeling, put your love into it, and it will come together. So I hope that this video inspired you guys. Share your homes with me. I would love to see how you've decorated. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Share this video with a friend. It would help me out a ton. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I will see you next time for another video. Bye, you guys.